Is your seagull manager at work keeping you up with their constant swooping in, making a mess, and flying back out again? Go to our channel to find other videos that will help you survive your seagull manager at work. But this video will help you find a way to get better sleep. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of lemon balm and how it can work wonders for your sleep. So, let's get started. First off, what is lemon balm? Well, it's an herb used for centuries to promote relaxation and calmness. But how does it help with sleep? Studies have shown that lemon balm contains compounds that interact with receptors in your brain, promoting a sense of tranquility and easing you into a restful state. So, if you've been struggling with those restless nights, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Another fantastic reason to consider lemon balm is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Stress can be a significant roadblock to a good night's sleep. Lemon balm has been found to have calming effects, helping to soothe the nerves and create a more relaxed environment for bedtime. Now, let's talk about its role in improving sleep quality. Lemon balm has been linked to increased GABA levels in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and plays a crucial role in regulating sleep. Incorporating lemon balm into your shut-eye routine gives your brain a little nudge toward that sweet spot of deep, rejuvenating sleep. To wrap things up, the benefits of lemon balm for sleep are backed by research, and it's a natural way to enhance your bedtime routine. Also, provide sustainable rest to return to work with the energy needed to survive your seagull manager. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, sweet dreams!